Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth was near a black hole? Well, we've actually done the calculations, and it turns out that if the Earth were just a little bit closer to the Sun, say about 100 times closer, we could use the extra gravity to power all of our devices for millions of years. Yeah, seriously. First off, let's talk about how we got this idea in the first place. So, a few years ago, scientists at NASA and elsewhere were trying to figure out how much dark matter is in the universe. Now, dark matter is this mysterious substance that makes up most of the mass in the universe, but we can't see it. It's like the ghost of matter. We only know it's there because of its gravitational effects on things we can see. Now, one way to indirectly detect dark matter is by looking at how much stuff is inside a black hole. See, black holes have a radius known as the Schwarzschild radius. And anything that crosses that boundary, not even light, can escape. So it's like the ultimate cosmic trapdoor. And since we can't see inside black holes, we don't know exactly what's in there. But we do know that if a black hole has a lot of mass, then it must have a pretty big Schwarzschild radius. And here's where things get weird. If the Earth were made of dark matter, then it would have a Schwarzschild radius of only about 9 millimeters. That's about the width of a human hair. But regular matter, like the stuff that makes up the Earth, has a much larger Schwarzschild radius. In fact, the Earth's Schwarzschild radius would be about 9 kilometers wide. So here's the deal. If the Earth were 100 times closer to the Sun, then the Sun's gravity would be about 100 times stronger on Earth. And that extra gravity would pull all of the matter in the Earth inward, closer and closer, until it reaches the event horizon of the Sun's gravitational pull. At that point, all of the Earth's mass would be concentrated at the center of the Sun, which would increase the Sun's mass by about 100 times. And since the Sun is already a big ball of gas, that extra mass wouldn't really change its size. But here's the kicker. With so much extra mass, the Sun's gravity would become so strong that its Schwarzschild radius would expand, engulfing the Earth and pulling it into the Sun. So if the Earth were 100 times closer to the Sun, we'd have a bigger Sun and a smaller Earth. And the extra mass from the Earth would make the Sun's gravity so strong that it would literally pull the Earth apart and destroy it. So yeah, maybe it's not such a good idea to mess with black holes and their immense gravity. But hey, if we ever get close enough to the Sun, we could use the extra gravity to power all of our devices for millions of years. Just one problem, we'd probably die in the process. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up.